Okay, so we've got a 2011 Subaru Impreza. It's an R edition, automatic 5-door hatchback, a nice red metallic in colour. Got the tow bar there as well. It's only travelled 132,000 kilometres. It's got the alloy wheels, 4 very good tyres. It's on for 11,999. It is a little bit short on the rego, and we will add some to the car, but just drives like a dream, this car. We'll take a look at the interior. So we've got the cruise control on the steering wheel there, dual airbags, Bluetooth, connectivity, 132,000 Ks. CD radio, air conditioning, it's freezing cold, and yes, it's automatic. Now it comes with the leather interior, and the leather trim, it's in excellent condition. Nice bucket seats, got the side airbags there as well. And there's your back seat, all looking pretty flash. I'll show you inside the boot too, not a bad size. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.